result, guys. Take a look at this one. I think this this manufacturer actually is trying to make this. I think it's a turbine or something. Yeah, it's a motor turbine, something like that. Anyway, if you know, guys, just leave a comment down of this video. At least we know what this machine is they're trying to make. It's just like that. They're trying to manufacture this kind of machine. It seems like it's a turbine actually. So they're putting this wire, it's a winding. So rotating manufacturing, something like it's fast and you know. So computerized actually they're trying to make this thing. It's everything was programmed already. Alright, what will be the next? So that's the thing they are assembling here. I think it's a motor engine inside. So now they are trying to fix and assemble. Okay. Making wiring. Okay. Making wiring.